Hello Learning Machines, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how to actually get approved on Crakrevenue. Okay, some people have trouble getting approved on Crakrevenue. So how you do it is actually really simple. And this actually applies to every single CPA network out there. How you do it is you basically tell them, hey, I'm going to send you very quality traffic. You tell them that. You want to come across as an expert because you are an expert. Heck, you're learning from an expert right now. Uh, and you just got to tell them like your experience, like you're going to send great traffic. And then you tell them, hey, these are the offers I want to promote. Now, here's the thing, guys. You will have some trouble getting approved on any network if you're outside of a tier 1 country, okay? Or even a tier 2 country. For sure, you're going to have troubles. My point is you got to be persistent. It took me a few tries to get inside of this network called Max Bounty, okay? It took me a lot of tries actually to do that one. And Crakrevenue, I think it was 2 to 3 times I tried to get a freaking on Crakrevenue, okay? So you got to be persistent. You got to keep trying, okay? They want you to be in their network. They just don't want you to do any spam type marketing methods, okay? Like sending your link all over the place or doing unethical practices promoting your links, like stealing email lists and promoting to email lists or something like that, okay? They just want you to be ethical and a really good experienced marketer who's gonna just freaking rake in a bunch of freaking commissions all day long, okay? It's super easy once you have the skill set. If you have the budget for paid marketing, it's basically the easiest money you've ever made in your life because you already have the money. You just put the money into the freaking ad platforms, then you make more money back, okay? But anyway, as a beginner, you may have some trouble getting approved, but sometimes you'll just get approved straight up. So just do your best, put some thought into your application process, and definitely come across as the expert that you are, and you will freaking get approved. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in more videos. Peace out.